Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. Still, the Australian dollar is lacking momentum. Now, we do have a light economic calendar for this week, which has probably put a little bit of a backstep on the bulls as they now focus on the 73, 70, 80 level with the 60-day simple moving average above at 74.10. It is viewed from this region that the market will find heavy supply and it is anticipated that we should get a rejection from this level and look back towards 73.10, which was the intraday low. Along with that, could see further falls towards 72.65. But what we do need to see is a turnaround in the US dollar after the market did test lower overnight and traded to a low of 94.57 before settling at 94.66. Now, with the level of 94.70 taken out, does question whether the market will continue on as it now tackles this level of 95 after posting a high of 96 this morning. As long as we don't break above that, then I'm quite happy to see the market turn around and look back towards 116.35 to 115.55 or to 114.85. But if we get a break above 116.95, I keep my stops very tight, around about 30 points above this level, or to your risk management, and look for a recess. The dollar yen still maintaining above 111, but still questions whether the market is actually holding to a bullish case. With the support seen at 110.55, could see further scope to the upside, but the resistance is still coming in at 111.55.65 and would need to see a break there to expose 112.50. But with the technicals a little bit on the weakest, on the suspect weak side, is that we could see the market turn around and look back towards this support. Yesterday it was the bank took a break after in observance of the summer holiday, but still looking a little bit hesitant as we look towards a 129.50 to 130.30 resistance, with the risk of the Brexit being a no deal or a heavy landing. Could see further weakness to the pound, which I'm holding to 126.60, and I'm still a seller into rallies above 129. Well, it would seem that the gold found renewed momentum overnight. Now, US President Trump suggested a United States-Mexico trade agreement to replace the North American Free Trade Agreement, the NAFTA. However, this still paves the way to replace, should I say, for Canada to rejoin talks, bringing in Trump a step closer to the overhauling of the NAFTA, reducing investors' fears of a blowout trade war. What is helping the gold is the fact is that Fed Chairman Jerome Powell, at his first speech at Jackson Landing, did seem somewhat dovish and has actually given a bit of a momentum. Now, with the break of 06, does expose the region of 1,220. So we could see the market test up towards that region. With minor support seen at 06, now sub 98, I am not bullish. And I do expect to see the market retest the lows. So do be a little bit on your guard in case we are getting a little bit tied at this region. And rounding off with oil, well, the market took on the challenge of 68.50.70 and buckles the level. And at this stage, no significant moves to the upside as it now trades at 68.80. Nevertheless, the market is still looking towards this region, but we are overbought. So I am somewhat skeptical in seeing the move go higher. Therefore, we could see a rejection from this level, so keep an eye on it in the next 24 hours. Well, that wraps up for today. Thank you very much for joining me. And as always, look out for the intraday report, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the day that's ahead.